From the woods and waters, lakes and streams, the outdoors calls us to chase our northern Michigan dreams. We are family, we are friends. Our adventure starts where the blacktop ends. Come along and join in the fun. We here at D&D Wild Outdoors hold our passion for the wild second to none. Morning guys, Derek with D&D Wild Outdoors. It is January 14th, I believe, 2020. We Facebook popped a memory and I caught a 15-inch crappie on this lake last year. Basically the same conditions, windy, snowing, kind of give or take throughout the day. So due to that awesome memory that Facebook reminded me of, I decided to make a comeback on this lake. I've only fished it about 3 times. I believe this is the 3rd actually. So we've had some sketchy ice this year. We came out and punched our way out here with the spud and got on the exact waters that we were on last year at this time. Used kind of the gray of the morning to punch a basin out and got about 40-ish plus holes. Just gonna start hole hopping and see if we can't mark anything right off the rip this morning. So hey, you know, you got to use those back intels to remind you of where you've been and kind of to point you where you're going. So hopefully we can get on some fish today. As you can see, it's dark, it's gloomy, it's snowing, it's 16-mile-an-hour winds. I'm kind of protected up in this little cove, so if we do get any fish, we should be able to get some good footage for you. And thanks for being with us, guys. Thanks to all you subscribers. Just out here in northern Michigan, enjoying the wild. Thanks for being with us. Let's get on some fish. Guys, look at this. Found them just like that. Crappies, baby. Engulfed that tungsten, slammed it. Beautiful white crappies. Oh my gosh, look at that, came out just like that. Holy smokes, right off the rip this morning. Oh, there's a couple more down there, it looks like. Maybe not. Yes, we found them. Oh, there's one. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Got him, got him. Oh, big one, another big one. Oh my God, you guys. Look at this, look at that. 12-inch slabs. Oh my gosh, just inhaled that tungsten. Oh man, in a blizzard, you guys, in a blizzard, smacking crappies. Ah, it's exciting. Oh, there's another one down there. Let's get in there. I was just about to leave this spot too. I love it. I love being the early bird, you guys. It always seems like when no one else is out, when the weather's nasty, that's when I do my best. It's just quiet and peaceful, and it's my time. My time on northern Michigan ice. Look at this. Look at that slab, you guys. It's top notch. Super proud to be alive. Super proud to be able to enjoy the beauties of this earth. Thanks for being with us this morning. Hooked up, guys. Oh, hooked up on the ice. Oh no. Giant, giant. Oh. Look at that. Whew. Giant, baby. Oh, the beauty of hole hopping, you guys. This is it. My gloves are soaked. Crappies are coming through the hole. Whew. Oh. Got him. Another slab. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this. How awesome is that? Hey, I'll tell you what. I want to give a shout out to John Lemur with Extreme Plastics. They work. Been oh boy. Oh. Coming up, coming up. Got him. This one is not as big. I do not think. Oh. Yeah, he's a little one. Look at that little crappie there. Get him back. We only need a couple for a meal anyway, so. I did hit a big one in there. He bumped me and I lost him. Doggone, this is fun, you guys. Oh, I've missed this. I went walleye fishing for a while and I have missed the panfish, to say the least. Yes, I have. Hooked up, guys. Just changed up our plastics. Oh my God. Giant. Oh my God. You guys. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh. Whoa. Wow. Holy crap, you guys. That's huge. That's 14 inches. That's a 14er. Look at this. John Lemur, you the man. Extreme Plastics out of Minnesota or Wisconsin. Look at that, guys. That little paddle tail, 2-pound test. Oh, that's a giant, dude. Yep. Look at that, you guys. On a whim, came here. Oh my gosh, that is a hog. Can't wait to put a tape on that. That could be there again. That real close to 15, like just like last year I was talking about. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. And that really goes to show, man, changing up your plastics, you know. Just a second ago they wouldn't hit it at all. Man, that fish is so heavy. Holy cow. Guys, what is that thing? Monster. Wow. Whew. That is absolutely Michigan Hog City, baby. Yeah. Hooked up, guys. Oh my God. Another one. Oh. Freaking blizzard, guys, straight blizzard, bashing out monster crappies, dude. Oh my God. This is sick. Sick, I tell you. There's more down there. Holy crap. I was dropping it down. They came flying up at it. I didn't even get a chance to, I didn't even have to jig it. There's two down there now. Holy cow, man. Those are giants, guys. Giants. Got them. Oh, this one might be a little smaller. Oh, maybe not. Oh no, I'm in the deucer. Oh my God. Look at this giant gill mixed in with the crappies. Oh, it's a panfish extravaganza. Oh my gosh. What? In a blizzard, you guys. 12 degrees, 16-mile-an-hour winds. Straight up Michigan blizzard. Getting it done. Ha! Dedication, perseverance, appreciation. Simply beautiful. Oh my gosh. Marking. Oh, I think that's another gill. Hooked up right here, guys. Oh, another hog. Oh, giant, baby. Found him. I've just been walking and checking holes here. Oh man, that's a good one, you guys. Dandy. Just been walking and checking holes, checking areas. Looks to be more than one here. Oh yeah, there's a good little batch of them right here, maybe. Coming on. Oh yeah. Got one. Oh no. In the deucer. We got him right here. Oh yeah. Look at that. Tungsten right in the snout. Awesome fish. Yes. Just on that little white Extreme plastic from Extreme Plastics. They're loving those. White seems to be the ticket today. Yes it does. Oh, here comes one just skyrocketing. Oh my gosh. That's a big one. No, get off the ice. Oh my gosh. This one's a hog, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yes. Oh, I love panfish, guys. This dead meat stick, Jason Mitchell dead meat, is just getting it. Oh. Fix my plastic and head back down. There's just seems to be, yep, there's another one there. Holy smokes. You know, I went for about a half-hour spell without finding anything, and I just kept hole hopping, kept searching. You know, like I said this morning, I punched out a ton of holes, which allowed me to, you know, in quiet move around this afternoon. Oh, missed one. Darn. Oh my gosh. This one just flew. Train wreck. it. Wow. Oh my goodness. This must be a freaking pig. Oh my gosh. Look at this. In a blizzard, you guys. In a blizzard. Ah, man, it's getting brutal out here. Woo. Oh man, it's nasty out here, you guys. It's so nasty. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? Blizzard crappies, guys. Oh my gosh, 12 inches. How crazy is this? Giant. Oh, giant, you guys. Oh my gosh. I think there's another one down there. Yup. Hooked up, guys. A little crappie. Seems to be a pile of them down there. Go back. Guys. Oh, big gill. Not giant. But he's a nice one. Bite's definitely slowed down, guys. It's 10:30 right now. This morning had a nice sharp crappie bite, and it's really slacked back. Been hole hopping real heavy, looking, searching, trying to find them, and picking a few off here and there, but oh wow. Oh, what I've noticed, the fish are really pale in this lake. The crappies, they're real bright yellow, and these gills, they don't have a lot of colors to them. That's a nice gill. That's a darn nice gill. Oh, they're pretty, aren't they? Pink. Look at the colors in that thing. Purple and pink. Well, guys, it was a pretty awesome morning out here. We spent about 3 hours-ish out here. Running and gunning, hole hopping, chasing these crappies all over. And it was a great morning here in northern Michigan. It was exciting, to be honest with you. Sitting in a blizzard. Exciting. Love it. Love what we do. We'll hit you back up on shore with a count and another kind of view over real quick, and then we're headed off to the walleye lake for the afternoon, evening. So hopefully the winds die down a little bit, this low pressure stays here, and the walleye are hot at it tonight. So thanks for being with us today. Let's go get some more fish. Well guys, here you have it. 12 crappie and 4 bluegills. This is the tally from the morning. Awesome catch, gonna be a great dinner for my family. Couple of big ones. I mean, that's just a giant right there. I'm gonna tape measure that guy here in a little bit, and just couldn't be more happy, couldn't be more proud to have you guys with us. We'll get back with you when the action happens here this evening for the walleye.